Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. See the problem here. What is the formula actually? This is a formula, yes or no? N plus 1, Pn plus 1 minus 1. But I am written here mistake. Here no need to write m plus 2. And here also no need to write m plus 1. Yes or no? This is I am written extra. So by observing the formula, no need to write that. Okay. Now, these are the two terms. So m plus 2 factorial means we can write m plus 2 into m plus 1 factorial or not? M plus 2 into m plus 1 factorial. I am written decreasing one term minus 2 into m plus 1 factorial. Take that m plus 1 factorial common. Then we get m plus 2 minus 2 into m plus 1 factorial. M plus 2 minus 2 value how much? 2 to cancel. We get only m into m plus 1 factorial. But they are given answer 1999 into 2000 factorial into 2000 factorial. By comparing these two, what is m value, students? By comparing these two, m value should be 1999. This is the answer. Okay. Here I am written mistake formula. That's why I corrected here. Once check it. This is 2 into bracket. Here, this row. Then remaining, observe that I am taken m plus 1 factorial common. Then m into m plus 1 factorial I got. But in the question already given 1999 into 2000 factorial. When it is possible means whenever you are taken m value 1999, then is the answer. Yes, this is a confusing problem only. 16th question. The number of different signals can be given by using any number of flags from 4 flags of different color. So here 4 flags of different colors are there. We want to give the signal. So already you know the signals. Green light means green color, move. Red color, stop. Orange color, ready to move. These colors you know very well. 4 different colors are there. We want to form the different flags to give signals. So for suppose I am going to give only one, I am following only one color. How many different color flags are there here? 4 flags of different color. Single color flags. One color flags. I am writing here single color flags. Mixed colors also we can take. Single color flags. How many possible? Out of 4, take any one. 4p1. Single color flags. 2 color flags. 2 color flags means mixed color. What are the colors? We don't know. So already we know that how many colors are there in Indian flag? There are 3 colors. 3 colors. That's why we can use different colors, form the different color flags. By using 2 colors, I am going to form the flags. How many? 4 people. 3 color flags. How many possible? 4p3. 4 color flags. 4 color, mixed color. This is 4p4. Okay. So therefore, Number of flags, number of different flags, different colored flags. How many possible? That is equal to 4p1 plus 4p2 plus 4p3 plus 4p4. What is 4p1? 4p1 means 4. 4p2 means 4 into 3. 4 we can write decreasing 3 times. 4p2 means 4 into 3 plus 4p3 means 4 into 3 into 2. 4p4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 4 factorial. Calculate this. This is 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3 2 24. Sorry. Okay, 24. 4 3 2 1. That is also 24. Total how much, friends? 24 plus 24, 48 plus 2, 60. 64. 64 different flags possible by using 4 different flags, different colored flags. Okay. Three men have 4 coats, 5 waistcoats, 6 caps. The number of ways they can wear them. So 3 men are there. You want to select 1 coat, 1 waistcoat, and 1 cap. Okay. So 4 coats can be distributed to 3 numbers, but the coats are different color, different design, whatever maybe, not similar. Okay. So we are discussing problems, similar things, not similar, sorry, different things. Okay. So out of 4 coats can be given to 3 persons. Can be given to 3 persons. So required number of ways. Required number of ways, that is equal to 4 coats give to 3 persons into, as well as 5 coats give to 3 persons. 6 caps can be given to 3 persons. Okay, so total answer is 4p3 into 5p3 into 6p3. Third option correct. So but the person can wear coat, waistcoat, 6 caps. 3 dress materials they will wear. Okay, that's why I'm written into. By using fundamental principle, we can write the answer 4p3, 5p3 into 6p3. Okay, students. Next question. See the 18th question. A railway carriage can seat 5 each side. The number of ways of party, 4 girls, 6 boys, can seat themselves so that girls may always have the corner seat. Now, railway coach means you know that. For suppose I am drawing the one diagram. I'm drawing the one diagram. See here. So here, this is one side. This is another side. Okay. So each side, how many seats are there? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But girls, they want to sit corner seats. So this is corner seat 1. This is 1. And this is 1. This is. How many number of girls are there? Number of girls. 4. Number of boys. Boys, 6. Total 10 persons, and there are 10 seats also. Each side 5 seats. Total 10 seats. Now, required number of permutations, required number of ways. 4 girls can be seated, 4 corner seats. How many ways it is possible? 4p4 into. Now 6 boys can be arranged remaining 6 places. Remaining 6 places means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boys can be arranged in 6 places. That is 6p6. 6p6. Now 4p4 means 4 factorial. 6p6 means 6 factorial. 4 factorial means 24. 6 factorial means 720. 24 into 720, that is 17,280. So which option correct, students? Third option. The number of words that can be formed using any number of letters of the word Kanpur. See the word, there is no repeated letters. We want to form that different words by using any number of letters. We can use single letter word, 2 letter words, 3 letter words, 4 letter, 5 letter, 6 letter. 7 letter words not possible because in the given word there are only 6 letters. Now first write the given word, that is a Kanpur. Number of letters, how many are there? In that word there are 6 letters. Now we want to form single letter words. Single letter words. Number of single letter words. How many possible, students? There are 4 letters. Take any letter, 1 letter, that is 6p1. Number of 2 letter words, that means 6p2. Number of 3 letter words, 6p3. Number of 4 letter words, 6p4. 6p4. Number of 5 letter words, 6p5. Next, last one. Number of 6 letter words, that is equal to 6p6. 6p6. Now write the conclusion. Total number of words. Total number of words. Now we want to add. 6p1 means how much, students? That is 6. 6p2 means 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 6p3 means 6, 5, 4. How much? 120. 6p4, 6, 5, 4, 3. 6 we can write decreasing 4 times. That means 360. Okay. Now 6p5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That is 720. Now 6p6, that is 6 factorial. That means that is also 720 only. 720. Students, add these all terms. Then tell me what is the answer. Then tell me what answer. Total, add the terms. Is the answer.